Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Najaatu Muhammad has dared the National Security Advisor, Malam Nuhu Ribadu, to take her to court. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, in an earlier video I did, talking about Nuhu Ribadu and his lawyers writing to Najaatu Muhammad to withdraw and apologize over the TikTok video she did, where she said that Madam Nuhu Ribadu, when he was the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission chairman, said that Tinubu, former governor of Abia State and now Senator Ojo Carlo, and former governor of Benue State and now Secretary to the Federal Government, Senator Akume, represented the worst case of corruption. When I did that video, I did warn that it would have been better for Nuhu Ribadu not to do that. He would have allowed that video to go away, that people may not even have seen it. Majority of Nigerians have not seen it. That reacting, if I were Nuhu Ribadu, reacting to it, sending my lawyers to write to them, will worsen the situation. And that is exactly what has happened. Because Najaatu Muhammad is doubling down. She says she will not apologize at all to Nuhu Ribadu, insisting that that was what she said. And she said that it's available on YouTube, that she will not apologize. I was thinking that maybe the video, she has no video evidence, but now she says it's available on YouTube, that she said it, that Tinubu was among the worst case of corruption among the governors. Tinubu, Ojo Carlo, and Akume, they were among the worst case of corruption in that order. But the woman speaking to Premier Radio on Tuesday said she's not going to apologize at all, that she stood by the story. And she did say that now Ribadu is bowing to Tinubu. And he challenged that assertion, saying, is Ribadu not bound to Tinubu? What is he doing as a National Security Advisor? That what he does, which security is Ribadu provided, except to be praising Tinubu everywhere? He challenged Ribadu to prove evidence, give evidence of fighting insecurity, insisting that what he was doing is mostly praising Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that he was not fighting, doing any, in other words, she was saying that there is no proof that he has been an effective National Security Advisor. Now, by doubling down by Najaatu Muhammad, it means that this story is going to be with us for a long time to come. And it's not looking good for the government. This is because Najaatu Muhammad, in the TikTok video she made, that was the bone of contention. She was saying that the Tinubu administration is hounding the opposition. Every critic of Tinubu is targeted to be put away. And she referenced the former National Health Insurance Scheme Executive Secretary, NHIS, Professor Usman Yusuf, who was a major critic, who has been a major critic of the Tinubu administration, who has now been accused of corruption, and he's now in court over corruption, and he was just remanded recently in court. So she was using that to give an example of how Tinubu government does not tolerate different views of what is going on in his government. And when you situate it to what had happened to her, whereby lawyers have been sent to threaten her with a letter telling her to apologize. She was given 7 days to apologize and to publish the letter of apology in 5 national newspapers. It means that they want to use the media to masculate the opposition, which was what he was saying earlier on, that there's an attempt by this government to masculate the opposition, so that there will be no opposition voice in Nigeria. There will be no critical voice in Nigeria. That was what happened to Usman Yusuf. And now they want to do the same thing to her. In other words, what is happening to her was a validation of what she was. It was drawing Nigerians' attention to in the TikTok video in question. And interestingly, that TikTok video, she was talking about, allegedly, about northern marginalization under Tinubu administration. Okay? And, the lawyers of Nuhu Ribadu, in their letter, they were saying that it was malicious, it was meant to bring the National Security Advisor to disrepute and to also incite violence against the National Security Advisor and all that. Okay, those were some of the things contained in that letter. But if you look at it holistically, you now find out that she's being validated in that video that he made, that the oppositions are being muscled, are being clamped down, are being put away. Because what do they want? So if she didn't apologize after 7 days, what would they do? They would like to take her to court to go and prove that, to come and prove where Nuhu Ribadu said it, bring video evidence. Luckily for her now, she says the video is available on YouTube. Perhaps I will go and search whether I can see it. But she says it's available, that she's not apologized. In any case, that the idea that Nuhu Ribadu said that Tinubu was allegedly corrupt is not a new thing. If you read this book, My Watch by Obasanjo detail what Nuhu Ribadu allegedly wrote in a file, because Obasanjo claimed in the book, My Watch, I recommend it for you, it's a 3-volume book by Obasanjo. Obasanjo wrote, in fact that book, every Nigerian should be reading it. Obasanjo wrote that when Nuhu Ribadu was EFCC chairman, that Nuhu Ribadu publicly said that 28 out of the 36 state governors were corrupt. And that Obasanjo said that Nuhu Ribadu brought files of these governors to him. And he said that the worst case of the corruption was that of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It was in that book. Now that book has been in circulation. Nuhu Ribadu has not sent his lawyers yet to go and take that book out of circulation. And the Tinubu himself has not gone there to court to remove that book from circulation. Atiku Abubakar was also painted as corrupt in that book. Atiku has not gone to court to see that that book is removed out of circulation. Why have they not done so? Because Obasanjo is alive to defend what he wrote in that book. So if really that Nuhu Ribadu is interested in his name not being linked with this kind of issue, he should also sue Obasanjo. Those lawyers should write to Obasanjo so that that book will be taken out of circulation, because that book is available right now where books are sold, whether in Amazon or anywhere. Why is that so? What are they waiting for? What are they waiting for to sue Obasanjo? Or is it because Najaatu Muhammad is like a low-hanging fruit they can use to show example that they don't want people to criticize their government. What do you think about this? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you.